How to memorize any ayah for those of us struggling. Look at it, break it down to bite sizes, words or sentences. Look out for confusing letters pronounced differently across school of thought. Familiarize yourself with one and stick to it. Repeat each one 10 times or more. Cover it and say it off-head as much as you can in different tones before moving off to the next one. Then start joining what you have mastered, one after the other. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, till you get to the end. Try to use simple transliteration closer to your own language and always digest meaning in your own language for longer retention. I hope this helps. Inshallah, once you've mastered this step properly, you will not need any more videos and you can adapt to any sheikh's voice.